Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode we're going to be changing headlight bulbs on a Mercedes C-Class on the W204 chassis with the HID headlight option. Now this particular model takes the D1S type bulb, and in the box you should get, well, if you just take a look in there, you get a cardboard tube. You want to try and grab that tube, turn the box upside down to remove the bulb, and then you can grab the base of the bulb to remove it. That way you don't have to touch the glass. Now, a couple of notes before we go outside to change this. First note is these are extremely high voltage. Make sure your ignition and headlights are turned off before you touch anything behind there, or else you're going to get a very nasty shock. And second, if your headlight bulb hasn't failed completely, other things you can look for is they can be flashing, or sometimes they start to go red or a purplish colour before they fail. If they start going that colour, you usually don't get much more life out of them. So let's head outside and show you how it's done. Okay, so once you've opened the bonnet, you'll find the access points for the bulbs either down the back just there, or just down the back just here. It's actually a little bit tighter on the passenger side, so we're going to do the driver's side just for the video purposes. So down the back here you will notice this plastic cap. Now you're going to want to undo this anti-clockwise. It can be quite stiff if it's not been off for a while, so you might need to give it a bit of force, and it will just pop off and that just drops straight off. And that will allow you to access the bulb, the back end of it, which is just here. Now the first thing you want to do is actually unplug it, which is this plug at the bottom here. Just like so. And then you want to turn the bulb base itself anti-clockwise as well, which is going to be quite stiff as well, just like that. And that will allow you to pull the bulb straight out, just like so. Now, like I said, try not to touch the glass when you do so. And obviously when you put the bulb back in, it's just a reverse of that process. So in the bulb goes, turn it clockwise till it don't go anymore, like so. Then you just put your plug back on the base of the bulb. Now it can be a bit fiddly because it's quite hard to see down there because there's not that much room around this area. And once the bulb's back in and plugged back in, all you want to do is put your plastic cap back on and turn it clockwise, and you should feel a firm click just like that. And that's pretty much it. Now on the other side of the car, it's exactly the same process. It's just that you have a little bit less room, as you can most likely see just there, because you've got your air conditioning pipes in the way on this side. But it's exactly the same process. Cap off, unplug the base of the bulb, remove the bulb, put the new bulb in, plug it back in, and put the cap back on. I hope this video has helped you out in some way, and if it has, don't forget to click like and subscribe and click the bell notification so you're notified each time I upload. Until next time guys, take care.